A warm welcome to everybody. My name is Satish Kumar Chandrahas, team lead of Insignia, and we are from Mallarity Engineering College. Our problem statement submission is projection of the extent of inundation corresponding to the forecasts of flood levels in a river. And this is Ministry of Jal Shakti. Our approach with this is to collaborate with CWC, which is the Central Water Commission, to access historical flood-related data, gain insights into flood monitoring procedures, and build a model for prediction. We'll be using the wealth of the data available from CWC, NRSA, and other freely accessible resources, including water gauge levels and satellite images, to create a comprehensive dataset. And we'll be developing an AI model that analyzes this historical data to predict future flood situations. This model will provide advanced warnings and predictions to help authorities take timely preventive measures. Early warning and system integration is our main goal. And we'll be preparing the authorities by empowering them with AI tools to proactively address potential flooding, ultimately reducing the impact of floods through timely preparedness and mitigation efforts. On the right hand side, you can see our basic UI design prototype, and this is how the app will look once it's implemented through Flutter, which is the framework that we are using to implement our application. To implement this idea, we'll be collecting and storing the historical data in a scalable cloud-based NoSQL database, and we'll be training the ML, which is machine learning model, using Google's Vertex AI. And finally, to integrate the model and the application, we'll be using Flutter, which is the main framework for our application. To design the user interface, we are using Figma, and in integrating GIS for mapping and overlay of flood predictions, we'll be using Google's API. Our main dependencies are the AI ML based flood prediction and early warning system that relies on efficient data collection storage supported by Google's Vertex AI, Figma for design, and of course the Google Cloud, which stores all the historical data required for training and maintenance of our application. On the bottom, you can see Firebase, which is the Google Cloud system that we'll be using, and this is what stores user data as well as all the related data regarding flood levels, and all of that is tagged in with geolocation. So both of this data is integrated and can be analyzed and statistically shown on the map of our application is that it will be used by government agencies, rescue agencies, as well as regular citizens who live in areas that are regularly affected by floods. The use cases are flash flood alerts, riverine flooding, coastal inundation, monsoon flooding, urban flooding, and more. Our technology stack that will be used is Flutter, Figma, SQLite, Firebase, Maps API, and Vertex AI. Flutter for user interface implementation, Figma for UI and UX design, SQLite, which is a static database, Firebase, which is the cloud for non-static, NoSQL based real-time database, Maps for 2D map tiles, Vertex AI for model training. Our team members are Vijay Manohar Naidu, Kudmula Vidyadhar, Soumya, Anirudh Kumari, and Shamim. We are all from different branches such as CSE, Cybersecurity, and ECE, but together we make a wonderful team that has been completely supportive throughout the project. Thank you for your attention. We are excited about the potential of our project, and we are ready to compete in SIH finals. Thank you.